In January 2021, we will be launching the first Women in 3D Printing annual TIPE conference on our virtual platform. This will be the first all-female lineup of speakers who will share new technology advancements and use cases of additive manufacturing to accelerate the adoption and industrialization of the industry. Their stories are inspiring. We're looking to help organizations like yours further your mission and develop meaningful relationships and collaborative opportunities at the TIPE conference with delegates across the world. By sponsoring the TIPE conference, you'll be able to connect with users and leaders in additive manufacturing across the aerospace, education, research, healthcare, and other sectors of the industry. Learn how you can secure your organization as a platinum, gold, or silver sponsor today. I'll be happy to share how we can support your marketing, brand awareness, virtual booth, and speaking opportunities. Together, let's continue to celebrate the inspirational works women have made in the additive manufacturing industry.